Justin Timberlake opening up the stage for Somizi. Oh, I'm excited. The Naked DJ's here. 24 minutes after 10 o'clock. Like I said, we're rolling this the way. I will put the disclaimer. We'll hear Somizi's story finally, South Africa. And I guess anything goes, Oscar Man. Edition as we wrap up the last one for 2025. Let's put on the disclaimer for yours truly, Somizi. All right, 25 minutes after 10 o'clock, we've got Somizi in the building. We've got the Naked DJ. Of course, our anonymous isn't anonymous. We know him as Somizi. Good morning, Somizi. How are you?
It is a good morning. The first anonymous who is excited. Yeah, does your disclaimer. Do the disclaimer.
All right, are you ready for the disclaimer and the house
Yes.
rules? All right, Somizi, we've read the house rules before, but here's a quick reminder as we catch up with you, right? Respect remains the foundation of this conversation. Keep it honest, but we keep it respectful. Somizi, please use respectful language. No swearing or profanities during our moment with you. We'll continue to protect your, your identity, but it's gone. And we ask that you protect the identity of the person or the people you'll be speaking about this morning. Somizi, do you agree to the house rules?
No.
Next.
I am revealing addresses, names, ID numbers, and and sizes.
Wow.
Let's get in.
All right. So, as you may know, the episode. Let's give them a summary.
Thank
right.
you.
Summary started. Somizi meets a guy. Over heels, head over heels. On
Head over heels.
yes, yes. And like he loves loud, right?
Uh-huh.
Guy tells Somizi, I just broken off an engagement. I'm like, oh, sorry. Red flag number one: don't date wounded dogs.
An engagement to a woman.
Details.
Okay.
Yo.
Okay.
And then Somizi, I'm like, give this guy a chance. Now, Somizi is one person at his grown age, old age home. He knows when it's just a flirt or it's a one night stand or it's a fling. He treats it according to the category. This one wanted a relationship. And I'm like, okay. Usually, if you want a relationship, we're going to do the relationship steps. The advice that I give to people, take time to know somebody. Don't give out the kunantra. Oh, right. So Mrs. sticks to his guns. The guy says, like he loves, sharp. And then 2-3 weeks down the line, the guy has been to Somizi's place so many times, but Somizi has never been to the guy's place at all. But Somizi has an idea what the house looks like and stuff. Somizi is a good mathematician, right? You know that. I'm a good mathematician. Mathematician. And then 2 weeks down the line, and Somizi says, I am not giving up the kunatra until I am definitely sure. If I can come to your house anytime and cook, because I want to cook for you, use your stove, and he's got the la crocrocro. I'm gonna use your la crocrocro. Until I use your la crocrocro, you're not having my la kuku.
Okay.
Sharp. Fast forward, one day, the guy says, I've got meetings all day. I'm like, okay, great. I love a busy man. For a change, I've got a rich man. I've got a busy man who's not fully available all the time.
Yeah.
Like, mauti, hey, ati uva. This one is busy. Sharp. I do ask a man here. And then when I leave, I call just to check, hey, baby, how are you? You've got a busy day. You haven't called me this morning. And then he answers, says, hey, baby, yeah, it's been hectic. I'm like, okay, what are you doing now? He says, nah, I'm around this area. I've got like 30 minutes. And then I said, you've got 30 minutes. Me being spontaneous, and no distance can come between them. Because we can either, if he's in Cape Town, I can jet to Cape Town. If he's in Pitori, I can fly, whatever. I can either take a Lamborghini or take a Ferrari. Yabo. Asina lama problems la bo double transport in the comba. Yabo.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
We will be back in. Hopedi Dilokwe, his headlines.
Aphangisi.
All right, back fast in a hurry. So, Mizi, no need for a recap?
Yes.
Yes.
Asian ready.
Let's go.
Sharp. The day after Ask a Man, I call. Hey, babe, how are you? Fine. What? Hey, you've been quiet. I said, babe, I've been busy back to back. He's got 30 minutes gap. I'm like, okay, how about a quick lunch? I'm not far from you. You're not far from me. Let's meet center. He says, hey, baby, driving there is going to be an issue because now I'm going to have to rush back to the meeting. I'm like, no problem, oh, my love. Listen, send what you want me to cook for you today. And mina ke umpeki sengipeke kayi3 by that time. So this time, like, send a menu.
Yeah.
He sends, I go to Ulesha, and then I grocery.
Yeah.
And then I say, funny enough, I go to this mall that I don't like going to. I don't like going to that mall. And there's a restaurant that is famous there. I particularly don't like that restaurant. That day, I'm like, Somizi, you are done for the day. You've just done the grocery for the husband. How about before you go home and cook for him, you sit and just relax
For once.
And there's about 10 restaurants on that strip. I choose the one that I don't like. I'm like, let me sit here. And I say to them, please find me a corner table. I don't want to be bothered with autographia and photographia.
Yes. And pornography.
And the pornography. I'm like, I don't want to be bothered. And then they go, okay, sharp. I sit there. So Mizi never orders a starter because I get full quickly. So this time I'm like, I've got the whole time. I want to spend 2 hours here. I order a drink. I order lime and soda. I order starter.
You deserve it.
Lalela. I order a main and I order a dessert.
Yes.
I sit. The drink comes. It sits. And I'm chatting to Ndo on the video call.
By the way, that's his best friend.
Yes. And I'm like, show me. Ndo says, I'm worried about you. These solo dates. Got you depressed. No, I'm not depressed. Yeah. I'm loving myself. Then, as I sip my drink, as I lift my hand, I see, now yes, come juicy. I see the fiancé, right? And I'm thinking, the fiancé is there on its own. So, coincidentia. What are the chances here that fiancé is here, I am here? It means we've got the same taste here, including the man here. Do you understand? Ne?
Yes.
Or I can't understand. It means meaning the fiancé, we've got the same taste, including the man in the restaurant.
There we go.
And then the fiancé goes to the registration. Gorgeous, by the way. I must give them that. Gorgeous, stylish. I'm like, competition. Very young, yeah. As I lift again for the second sip, husband walks in. I'm like, no way. It can never be. How? Is this the meeting? And then they sit on the other side. Now my heart is palpitating. It has moved. I've called all the funeral parlors.
Yeah.
It has moved. I'm dialing Mam Lillian. I'm dialing Desmond. Gobi. What clientele? And I'm like, what do I do? The waiter comes. I'm like, please bring everything, take away. I want to go now. And as I'm waiting for my takeaway, SMS comes from him saying, hey, baby, meeting's about to start.
Hey.
Amadoda. Amadoda. And I was like, if Amadoda, I was kudlala ngamanye amadoda. Imagine what they would do to women who don't know them. This guy is typing and I'm looking at him. And I'm like, oh, nice, babe. Hey, guys, maturity. I breathed in. I wanted to scream, but I breathed in. I'm like, hey, babe, okay, all the best with the meeting. where's your meeting, my love?
Okay.
And it doesn't answer yet. Right? Then I take my thing and then I sneak out. I go to the car. I go home. I give the food to the parking attendant. Appetizer gone. Appetizer gone. And I'm like, do I cry? I'm like, no, I'm not crying. My Kunatra is still safe. I've got a valuable. He did not chow.
Yeah.
I get home. 3 hours later, he calls. And then I said, video call me. He video calls me. Like, I want to see his expression. Like, hey, how was the meeting? He says, oh, the funds are great. They've released everything. And then I look at him like, I saw you. I saw everything. Everything.
Then his face.
How could the one I gave my heart to break my heart so bad? That's a song for me tonight.
Okay.
Then he says to me,
Tonight.
It's so busy. We with him tonight. It's fine.
You're truly heartbroken.
yo! Then he tries to explain. I'm like, no, I'm done. And then I leave, drop the phone. I'm done.
You were leaving, but you're home.
Yeah, can I leave the conversation?
Oh, okay.
I win. Wenja. We are fun in July. Then I leave the conversation. I'm done. I'm devastated. And then he calls. He beat the record of the one and only.
No way.
He beat Miss Ndamase's record.
Of missed calls.
Yes, he 78 calls that day.
Yo.
I was so proud of myself. So proud. I'm sugar. Yazi ngimshuga ina ngithi ngamushuga.
Yes.
Ngamushuga. Then 2 weeks passed, no contact until one day I'm like, let me give him a chance, but I miss the flowers every day.
Jeez, he was sending you flowers every day.
Every day.
Roses.
And
not those cheap ones.
And
not the traffic light ones.
No, not even the Wulesia ones. This is probably 139.
Yeah.
No, proper roses that are imported.
Yes.
Like la thick. You must throw them away. They don't throw themselves away. They don't rot.
Long stem.
Yes.
And it's perfectly wrapped in proper ribbons.
It
just looks
like
yeah.
almost every second day. My house,
I'm
telling you, my house looks like a florist.
Either florist or,
What?
Avalon.
Oh.
Like
No,
you should take
my house looks like Heroes Acre. So, you guys are uncomfortable. Sharp. I forgive, and then we start to say, hey, I forgave.
You forgave?
Yes.
Why?
Why?
The treatment felt right, man.
I know.
For once, it was nice to be pampered, man. Come on. It's not that deep. It's not like I'm still a Virginia.
Okay.
Like, Nigel, he's waiting for nothing because Pelin.
Yes.
But he doesn't know that. Sharp. Fast forward 2 weeks. Then the last straw again, that is 2-3 days ago. I call, video call on Saturday, actually. After the weekend breakfast, I call. Usually, when the phone rings 3 times, I drop. This time, I did not drop. I was like, I'm going to wait. I've got time. It rings. Then, eventually, he answers, video call. And he's walking upstairs, going downstairs, like it's a distance. I'm like, why didn't you answer? He said, oh, sorry, man. I didn't hear the phone. And I said, where are you going? He says, I'm leaving the bedroom to the lounge. Why are you leaving the bedroom? Suspicious. But also me, I calculate the steps he's walking.
Yes. So
Because before, the other house, he walked 12 steps.
Yes.
Now he's walking 38 steps.
No way.
That's not the
Yeah.
house that I recognize. I'm like,
Yes.
But I keep quiet. I'm like, who's in the bedroom? He says, nobody. Right? I said, no, you're lying. Go back to the bedroom. I said, oh, baby, I'm lazy. I'm like, oh, you're lazy. Okay. Yeah.
Just a question. And when you're on this video call, did all you could see is the ceiling, ne? Because now he's avoiding showing you furniture. And
Yes.
Like
No,
you
I'm
just
seeing the wall.
see
I'm seeing the wall. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm seeing the wall, but I'm counting the steps because we've been on this call before where he just walks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. he's in the lounge. But now it's 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. I'm like, okay.
This is a big house.
Yeah,
'Cause
huge.
Thina sijwayele abantu 2 steps.
Well,
You've already walked the,
Lalela,
whole, the east and west
from the
wing.
bed, you can fry the egg.
Yes.
So I said, okay, bye-bye, baby. Love you, but I'm not happy.
Love you.
Yes. We've been telling each other, love you.
Sure.
Then I send a text with, I honestly can't do this anymore because I have a feeling that you haven't left that person. That person is still there, and I don't want to be a side. A side at 53 is not a side. It's a pavement.
Ish.
I'm gonna die with a heart attack. I said no, I can't. And then eventually, Shem, he listened for once. He said, "Babe, don't do this to me." I said, "No, we're done. It's okay. If I'm wrong, let me be wrong." Was I right?
You tell us.
It was Saturday, I get.
Yeah.
On Monday, I see the fiancé and him.
Is the fiancé the one from the restaurant, or is this somebody
The
else?
same person. To
Hold
be
on, guys. Hold on.
continued.
Hold on. I'm coming back. It's 43 minutes after 10 o'clock. Metro FM, it's where you want to be. The Naked DJ, Somizi, final Ask a Man of the Year, but this time all ears are on Anonymous Somizi.
Yes. Now the final, the thing that broke the camel's back.
Almost.
And I'm the
thing
camel.
that broke the camel too.
Okay. And the toe. So yeah, and then so I see on socials, ne? So I see the fiancé showing the key with a huge mansion behind. Yabo? And then I'm like, oh, okay. Maybe I use it here. Doesn't he appear again? He likes appearing second half.
Yeah.
He appears again and then they kiss. I was like, wow. So Mizi, I am so proud of you. I am really proud of myself.
Wait.
Why?
Were you following the fiancé on
No,
social media,
they-
or how did it pop up?
The fiancé, funny enough, I did not know then, but after they always pop up on my FYP
Okay.
before even I met the guy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So, but now
You never knew they were together.
no,
Oh, okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I did not know.
Ish.
So yeah, and then that's how it ended. The beauty about it, when he asked for forgiveness, he bought me a huge. Oh, he said to me, "What can I do for you to forgive me?" I said, "I want a Lamborghini packed with ribbons and stuff." And then he said, "Not now. What else? Like, I want a huge diamond ring." And then yeah,
Is that the ring you were wearing last time?
it was delivered. Yes. But at least now I can keep it. I can be Elizabeth Taylor and keep all the rings. So yeah, I don't need your advice, but you can advise. You can advise because I came out feeling like a hero. The moral of the story here is don't give it in too soon. Wait, because let's see into ikelem. They are crooks. They are scams. Bazokuscama icake lakho.
I love how everyone is saying, if Somizi is going through this, and who are we?
I am going to on a higher grade. Yeah, higher grade. So yeah, advice, guys. What would you have done, or do you think I did the right thing by just giving it up when the signs were there? Do you think it was a good thing that I did not? Because that's one thing I'm proud of, which I could have easily given up, like I usually do, for abo.
I'm
I'm a paras.
Yes.
I'm a parasexual. Yeah, bro. So yeah.
When he asked for forgiveness,
When he asked,
yeah, I want to know why did he want forgiveness? What was it?
I would-
Like verbatim, stele.
Okay,
why was he saying he's sorry?
I think because he's also never experienced love the way I gave him. Sometimes in life, you just have to date your equals and feel what it feels like to give and receive. And that's the lesson for me and for him as well, to be honest. Like, it was beautiful in that sense that money was not an issue, and money was not the issue. And money was not the only reason why we're together, because I was happy to date somebody with his own money so that he doesn't become my liability.
Okay.
Not because I wanted his money.
Yeah.
And now I think it was that feeling of knowing we can go anywhere, and I go, baby, I got this, don't worry. Because all the time he's the one who's getting things and don't.
No, I get it.
You understand?
I'm afraid of one thing though, Somizi, you know?
What?
That if you don't answer this question, I don't think Kutsa's gonna have us back here next
What?
year. She asked you a question. And the gender of his fiancée. Because I think it also plays a big role.
Hallelujah.
Is it a man or is it a woman?
It's
Because if you don't answer Kutso,
I know.
uzo yago management and then next year uzothenga sansifuni.
Wawukhuluma so manje naked.
Phela ngisho ngincenga uSomizi. Uyamazi uthanda ukuncengwa ngisho.
Yes.
True. He'll go to the management and then
Yeah. It's a woman.
Kutso, are you happy with that answer?
Very happy. We're back again next year. Okay.
Yeah.
We back again.
Yeah,
Thank
we're
you
back
so
again
much.
next year.
Siyabonga,
Okay.
Yeah,
siyabonga.
it's a woman.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what was his intentions? Was he intending you to be his little secret?
He wanted. I think he's at a point where he wants to come out, but he wants to come out with the person that feels like they are the right person to.
Why, if you wanna come out, why are you coming inside?
And funny enough, I've spoken to his sister.
Guys,
ayikho into eyimene njenge family member.
Hi, Somizi.
I'm telling you. And the sister like, yo, you make my brother so happy. I'm like, but you've got a sister-in-law inside though. I didn't tell him. I'm like, come, we must cook for you. Italian popo.
Easy.
Yo,
Can we hold it here?
Washibulela shilubedu.
South Africa, let's go. What advice do you have for Somizi? I think let's go here. Whether it's advice you have for Somizi, anything goes now. Whether you have a question for Somizi, a question for Naked, let's go. 086,000 2160. Send your voice note 060 552 7303. What advice do you have for Somizi? Anything goes. A thin line between love and hate. H-Town coming through right here on Metro FM. 6 minutes for you, South Africa. Yes, he said that he doesn't need our advice, but we'll give it to him nonetheless. 086,000 2160. Give us a call or send through your voice notes on 060 552 7303. What's your advice to Somizi this morning?
Good morning. Good morning. It's not an advice or a question. For me, it's actually how he loves about it. It clearly shows that nothing stays forever. And for the mere fact that Somizi trusts his instincts says a lot about him. I'm proud of you. I'm taking that with me, honey.
Love that.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Somizi, I'd like to applaud you. I want to applaud you for walking away. You did good by walking away. I once came across a situation almost similar like yours, and I chose to walk away as well. So hence I say I applaud you for walking away. Yeah, self-love comes first, self-respect comes first.
Amen.
Walk away without causing any drama.
Yo Kutso, hayi naSomizi Shem. Ngiyamthanda Shem. Waze wagowisha kamnandi ugowisha emalini hle. Hayi ngeke. If ask when was this hayi Shem company batho bagowisha hayi Shem nakina advice. I'm just gonna say you go some umgowisho omnandi kanje. Haha.
But good mapona lesom G. I'm a scammer. We better recognize, we better watch out.
Hello.
Some G, we swallet when it's up dark. Actually waiting really the same thing about a month ago. Bonus scammer garabona, not this time around. So
Amen.
Bravo to us. Happy season, Metro.
Hey. So Mizi, sometimes when you find a man, do you act broke for a moment? Do you sometimes find yourself acting broke just to see the intentions of a
Kanjani ngoba
person?
beyangazi.
Or you just let it be? You'll see when it happens. So naked, there's another question for you. As I am, should I keep having dates, having many men, trying so hard to be in a relationship, or I just let it go, or I just every time and then give love a chance, or what? Or I just let it be and let it be myself.
Relationships are not for everyone. Abanye benu nikaphile.
Curtain razors.
Exactly.
Libya razors.
Yeah, so yeah, you know, a relationship will find you. Quit trying to find it. And sometimes you just need to say, this is not meant for me. And like Somizi said, you are there as a curtain raiser. A shame.
Good morning, Metro. Good morning, Kudzo. Naked.
Morning.
Some. Okay, please, I need help. My question is like, I've been out of like the game of dating like for so long. I can say 3 years. So my question is like, I wanna know hore kipitse handle like I'm okay or like there is something wrong with me. Please help, guys. Thank you.
Final question for the year.
Nothing wrong with you. You know, like when you wake up happy, when you go to sleep happy, when you don't have stress, when your mental health is okay, why do you want to complicate your life? Why?
Amen.
Yeah, and if you're looking for sex, go find sex. But also never confuse sex with relationships. And don't con a man into a relationship with you when you know, Uti, you just want sex.
Got a question here for Somizi. Desiree is asking, my question to Som Gaga. Are they still seeing each other or is the relationship done? Maybe I missed that part. That's
Me
the question.
and him.
Correct.
No, we're done.
Okay.
Very done. And I sleep.
You're not prepping meals for him, nothing?
No, I sleep at night. Ngifuna indishi yami though.
Yeah?
Makabuyisa indishi yami.
Which one? The
crew. Ngiyayifuna. I think for me also what
And the weirdest thing, it could be one of those pots or dishes that the wife now fancies. And then now he's using. Now he can't bring it back.
They get. And I know where they stay is fine.
You're so amazing!
But the other lesson that I've learned here is that because I now realize there's this person that could have been pitted against me or me against them to now compete for this man who probably thinks he's a prize.
Yeah.
Never get into a relationship to replace. Never get into a relationship to hurt someone. Never get into a relationship to prove a point to the current person. You are better than them. You are not better than them. You are just newer than them. Because you are just newer. Nah. Happy birthday, happy Christmas, happy New Year.
We love you. What a year it has been. What a curtain raiser. Somizi, Naked DJ.
Naked.
You guys are incredible.
We love
To
you
the
guys.
final
See you next
Oscar
year.
Man.
Yo.
Thank you guys.
Although I want to get about toxic, but so sad because next week is gonna be a healthy week.
Yes.
I was wanting to help. Askis, we'll see you next year.
Next year it is. We'll let you know when Oscar Man will be back next year. But for now, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Somizi and the Naked DJ, we truly appreciate you. We love you always.